Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos.
Video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Amazing Speech Control Sudoku Solving Robo, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action.
Solve Sudoku.
Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Solving Sudoku puzzles sometimes goes out of hand. This robo shows how even the toughest of Sudoku puzzle can be solved. It can even talk and exhibit its own expressions and show the working of solving the puzzle. The components used here are Raspberry Pi 4, Raspberry Pi camera module, touchscreen display, speaker, LED and a toy case.
Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.